Fishy Friends, welcome here at Bart's Fish Tales, and today we're going to make dumplings, anchovy dumplings, Japanese style. It's delicious. So first we make the stuffing. Of course, we have our hero, our seafood hero, which is anchovies. Then we have cabbage, we have carrot, we have chili, shiitake mushrooms, ginger, dumpling sheet, bit of egg. Let's kick off. So first I chop shiitake mushrooms and I chop them really fine. Next one, carrot. Take off the end parts. And again, we will cut these in small cubes. Okay, add the carrot into the bowl. Then, cabbage. Add it into the bowl. Then, 2 spring onion. Cut it in half, lengthwise, and chop it fine. Anchovies. So when you buy anchovies, make sure it's from a sustainable source. That the product, that the can you buy is MSC certified. Chop the anchovies in small pieces. Next one, ginger. So I peel like 2 centimeters of ginger and I will grate it. Good. So a frying pan on medium to high heat and 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. And then we will add this mixture in the pan and we will pan fry it like 3-4 minutes until everything is soft and let it cool down. Meanwhile, I will start making the dressing. I first will roast some sesame seeds. I add like 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, then chili. I will finely chop it and I will add like half of the amount of a large chili. Okay, so then we have the sesame seeds, golden brown. Add it into a bowl. Here we are. The dressing for the dumplings is there. Yeah, okay, so the mixture is cooled down. This is necessary because we will add an egg. Boom. To bind the mixture. And then we have the Shaoxing, which is the Chinese rice wine. 1 tablespoon. And then a bit of soy sauce again. Now, this is fun work. We have a dumpling sheet. You have it in one hand. Teaspoon of the stuffing. Water on the edges. Fold it around. We just make this typical dumpling shape. 7 dumplings with anchovies. Here we go. So what we will do now is first pan fry the dumplings on one side in a bit of sesame oil. Then we will add water and steam the top side because the stuffing needs to be warm with a lid on. So I steamed the dumplings for around like 4 or 5 minutes to be sure that the stuffing is really warm. And then it's time to serve these amazing, lovely dumplings. And just finish it up with some spring onion. Look at this, amazing, beautiful anchovies dumplings. Bit of the dip, here we go. Wow, so good. The dough and then inside the stuffing with the anchovies and the soy. Great flavors together with the dressing, with the nuttiness of the sesame seeds, spiciness of the chili and the soy sauce. You really should give this a try. Finger food, starter, any occasion. Well, if you have any comments, any questions, please leave them down in the box below and I hope to see you soon on another Fishy Friday.